Becoming battle-hardened, a deep dive into resilience. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that's not only popular in military contexts but also in everyday life: battle-hardened. This phrase carries a lot of weight in history, and understanding it can add a rich layer of meaning to your English comprehension. Whether you're an English language learner looking to expand your vocabulary or just someone interested in the nuances of English expressions, this video is for you. Let's explore what it means to be battle-hardened, its origins, and how you can use it in your conversations. The term battle-hardened refers to someone or something that has become strong, resilient, and experienced through surviving difficult situations, especially those as intense as military battles. It's about being tested by adversity and emerging more robust and capable. Originally used to describe soldiers who had experienced the rigors of combat and were no longer easily shaken by it, this phrase has transcended its military roots to describe resilience and toughness in other areas of life as well. To truly appreciate the phrase, it's essential to know a bit about its history. Battle-hardened has its roots in military terminology, dating back to times when physical and mental endurance were crucial for survival on the battlefield. Over time, the phrase began to be applied metaphorically to non-military situations. Today, it can describe anyone who has been through tough times and come out stronger, whether in personal life, business, or facing any form of adversity. In conversation, you might say, after years of working in high-pressure environments, she's truly battle-hardened, to describe someone's ability to handle stress and challenges without breaking down. In writing, this phrase is powerful in storytelling or when describing characters with a tough backstory. For example, the battle-hardened detective refused to give up on the case, his years of experience on the streets giving him an edge. In everyday life, it's also used to describe resilience in the face of life's challenges. For instance, facing illness and recovery, he became battle-hardened, ready to tackle any of life's obstacles with newfound strength. The phrase, battle-hardened, is a testament to human resilience and the ability to withstand and grow from challenges. It's a powerful descriptor for anyone who has faced adversity head-on and emerged stronger. We hope this exploration into the meaning and use of battle-hardened enriches your understanding and perhaps inspires you to recognize the battle-hardened heroes in your life or even see yourself as one. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the fascinating world of the English language. Stay strong, stay curious, and keep learning.